Natitigan natin.
Tagdagas pa din. Yan,
Lumadoon na natin yung sa saan. Bawasan. Patingin na, basa na.
Apa, empe?
Tay, dapat balon na.
Guys, naso-naso pa yung magandang
Ay, di na kaya.
well, tayo grills kami pa, hindi naramid ko instant. Yan guys. Sige, ano yun. Ano yung pingga salami?
Ay, makakapang kami lumakpan namin at magano'n.
Okay na siya. Dagdagan ko na. Salami. Dagdag di may isa eh. Kurang si Juan.
Dati nga, apa yung sama na isang lock mo?
Ayan, okay na mga mamsi. Yan. Ito. Ay, napagitan dyan. Dati, di may isa ko.
Alam ko gumawa niyan. Ano ka pagpupan na lang?
Kailangan ko lang yung pinagkal.
Ito na mga mamsi, yung ating next piece. Ice. Oh!
Gusto nyo mag-isimulan din yung plates.
Ay, okay. Para saan ito dito? Ano na itatapit agad Why not? I lost that. Mama, I lost my rubber band. Mama, I lost my rubber band. Mama, I lost my rubber band.
Instant mga amiga. Instant design. First time ko rin gagawin ito mga mamsi.
Hindi, Papa.
Ako mga mamsi. Ayan. Sabi parang may bulaklak na siya. Ayan, mga mamsi. Ito, fruit tray naman mga mamsi. Yung ginagawa natin.
Slide. Bisa nagagawin yun ito.
Dalawa. Nagdagak ko.
Nung cheese na iba.
Pwede na tayong imas mga pang-imas na.
Sabi ko mo na, wonder na, award ko may sabi dito. Ay, drinks gaya.
Ano?
Nagitan to,
Nadagsun nga, baka flip dato, no? Nadagsun di tayo engage. Yung tabi sa di pang support.
Sabi ko na ito. Para drinks na dito yan.
Yeah, pero haan nga, di, tanong nga, ag-flip nga, baka no, bigla nga, ag-baliktad, ka nadagdag hindi ka.
Kanto dito.
Prayer by Dr. Alfred Vinluan, and it's a recording from John's father. It's recorded. Can we stand up for grace, please? Thank you much. So what we did, you know where they're originally from. Let's just get everybody to. Where are they both from in the Philippines? Does everybody know? Okay. Good. Very good. All right. So, is it safe to say? Is it safe to say that the both families are you speak Ilocano? No. You know Tagalog. Okay. So we're mixed. I don't want to assume. All right. So here's how the background goes. Let's get it. So, both Kurt and John met in 2013 and became friends. And they were both from different programs, and they both shifted to. Does anybody know their background? Let me see how much you know. What did they study? Yes. Okay. Architecture, and they met there. They became a couple. Does anybody know? When did they become a couple? In October 2014. Yeah, 2014, amazing. And then they started their long-distance relationship in 2018. Does anybody know when they got engaged? They got engaged February 2, 2021. They got married exactly 7 years of dating on October 28, 2021. It says they finally closed the gap and ended their long-distance relationship on August 22, 2022 when John came to Canada. December 2023, they did a part 2 wedding. Did you know that? Because Ken's family weren't able to come home during the first part of the first wedding. They planned to start a family in June 2024 and it was confirmed that they were pregnant on August 4, 2024. April 18th. Oh, this is exciting. April 18th. Very nice. So I don't want to focus too much on this, but I just want to share with you.
Eating time! Hindi na ito magbagada tayo. Lang kamu, just ilabaw lang na ta. There you go.
May na yung kotsa lang dyan. Hindi na, papalitan pa lang yun. Baby shower.
Parang yan din yung ano,
Yeah.
doon, naiwa-iwa ko ma...
May garon, di sa makartiba manlaangan.
Ay, Shanghai.
Made from orange or rams. Homemade.
Homemade.
Kaya nagtitinda ako.
Oo.
Ay, hindi. Yan na lang. Oh, I love you. Sikat din na naman ba?
Yeah, sige.
Ito ba yung ribs?
Yeah.
Bakit? Medyo makakabusog pa.
Tingnan ko yan.
Walang kutsing-kutsing to.
May isa pang puncher. One's good.
What's the rate?
Oh my God, some thank you though.
T-shirt.
Kalimutan ko. Basta may ham, may ano siya sa loob. Eh, cheese sa. Parang may cheese pa yan. Kurang ganun na. Ay.
Wala, sige na.
Ano mo si Jay? Jay, saan mo doon ako ano?
Thank you.
Ano gusto mo?
Pabayang tayo, mga mamsi. Tanang pansit, pangpahaba ng gulay.
Ako nga yung sarap sa bilog ka kong boy. Yeah.
Yeah! Ikan, mangantan. Yan. Mahala ka naman.
Hi, guys.
Hi! Oh.
Let's eat.
Let's eat!
Ito gawa ni Tares.
Anong pagkakaiba ng
Pareho lang. Iba lang yung lagayan.
Thank you for the food. Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. Oh, diba? May bayad yun, ha? May commission, ha?
May commission na ano. Oh, dito muna tayo sa table number 1. Hello. Enjoy the food. Ito magbanger. Akin yun, yung sarap ni Papam.
Wala.
Na?
Tables tayo pa no.
Samahan gamit yan.
Inutusan lang.
Okay, has everybody got their food now? Yes? Awesome. So a couple.
Say hi. Cheers.
Is one sheet of
Mabanger.
name. So that sheet, if you would be so kind, is to guess the first name clues. So the first name clues
Ay, dito
are.
naman.
Ready?
Hello.
But don't
Good afternoon. Oh, for governor. Yeah. Hello.
First name please is Elise.
Nahiya si Miss Beautiful.
Usually heard in church or during Mass. Defined as holy, virtuous, kind, or patient. Right? So that's the first part of the name. The second, the next condition that was shared